watching Get Slim with TJ, and in this video I'm gonna share with you some very useful tips on how you can lose weight while studying for long hours. Students generally study for long hours by sitting, and there is generally very less physical activity, so many students end up gaining weight. Students start their day by going to school or college, and they have to sit there for 6 to 8 hours, and thus there is very less or no physical activity. They generally have break of 15 to 30 minutes in between, but in that break students have their lunch, and they involve in very little physical activity like walking, which is not enough. But this is not a problem for many students, because in the evening when they go home they play some sport or they do some kind of physical activity. But those students who don't do any physical activity even after going home, they have to listen to this video very carefully. Now, after going home, students take lunch, and after taking lunch, most students prefer to take rest and even have a small nap. So again, they are not involving themselves in any physical activity. So in the evening, many students go for coaching classes, and while returning, many prefer to have junk foods like French fries, burgers, and other similar foods, which is not healthy. But those students who play some sports, there is no problem for them at all. Now, I will tell you some important tips on how you can study more effectively. Recent researches have shown that if you study for long hours without taking breaks continuously, then your efficiency will be less. So you have to take rest and relax in between study hours. Now, you make blocks of 1.5 hours in which you will study with full focus, and in between take 15 minutes of break. Now, in 15 minutes of break, I will tell you how to do some physical activity. So between every block of 1.5 hours, you will have a 15 minutes break. So you can do that physical activity 3 to 4 times in a day, and that will be fine for you. Now, I prefer skipping because it burns more calories than other exercises in the same time. So you can have a skipping rope, and if you have some open space near your house like garden, you can do skipping there in the 15 minutes break. And if you wish to take break in between the skipping, you can, but try to reduce it gradually. If you don't have skipping rope, you can buy these light pair of dumbbells, normally 1 kg to 2 kg weight, and you hold them in both of your hands, and you do little baby circles with your hand, and at the same time you jump on your toes. Your jump should be light and soft on the ground, and by doing this, you will burn some calories and you will be fit, and you won't gain your weight will be maintained. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.